If any of my friends needed advice on where to go, I would definitely recommend Peterman because of the fact that I've had such a great experience with him. And whenever you have a great experience or a good experience with somebody, you're going to pass it on to the next person. But with Peterman, all kidding aside, it's like the technicians are every single one that's come out has been a great guy, and it's just a really cool, really nice thing to have when somebody comes to your house. My name is Bill D, and I live in Indianapolis. The first time I used Peterman, or the first time I heard of him, is I had a flyer in the mail. And when I was kind of just looking through the flyer, and it was perfect, so that's how my first experience with actually calling them was. And at that time, I met the repairman or technician that came out, and I absolutely loved the guy, and actually to a point of where I was like almost wanting to hang out longer than just the job and leave. Eventually, at the end of the plumbing problem, he introduced me to this Peterman protection plan, and ever since then I've been using it, and it works out great for me because myself is not the best of maintenance or repairman type people, so having them come out and having the additional money taken off as a discount because I belong to it, it's always great to have that extra security, especially with your own house. It basically has paid for itself every year, so it's why I continue to use it. And even though I don't use it every month, obviously, it's nice to know that when I do use it, it pays for itself. I've had Peterman come out with using the protection plan for an installation of my nest, because I didn't want to mess it up. So I had him come out just recently for a shower problem that I had, and they repaired it. Everything that they've come to repair, or everything they come to install, is still working great, and I know the comfort of knowing that I can call them back if there's any problems. So that, as a customer, is always cool because you can just know that I can call and say, hey, this is not working, that's not working, and I know they'll come back out and repair it. It's always nice to have that comfort with anything, especially when you have your own house. I've had other companies come out to do work, whether it be, matter of fact, it was plumbing before, and they just didn't give me the same comfort that the Peterman guys did, as in they were just so friendly, and like I said, it was like I would have had them stay longer if they wanted to. I was just enjoying my time with them, so that was just made it that much easier, to continue using them. And it's always nice to know when you have a plumbing problem or a problem, and pretty much almost anything, that you can call them and call Peterman, and they'll go ahead and get it fixed. There's so many different choices that it's cool when you just find one that you know is going to work for you. And like I said before, I can't say it enough. I mean, the guys, the technicians, or the guy, whatever you want to call them, when they come out, it's never a bad experience.